In this video, we are going to unbox and see about FC chain kit in M-ring type. You have heard about X O-ring, Z O-ring, and even T O-ring. Let's see what is in this M-ring chain kit. This chain kit is from Rolon brand. Let's unbox this. In the back of the pack, the kit maintenance, chain adjustments, and some details are mentioned. The structure of the chain is mentioned there. You can see the detailed view. This chain kit suits for Yamaha FC, V3, V2, FCX, FCS models. The rear sprocket is in chrome color, comes with 6 holes. Also, at last we can measure the thickness of the sprockets. The gear sprocket is in gold color. This chain kit specifications are: rear wheel sprocket has 41 teeth with 6 holes. The gear wheel sprocket has 14 teeth and a chain link of 128 links. This is the M-ring chain kit. In closest shot, we can see the O-rings in between the chain kit. These are the close-up shots of the chain. Comment your thoughts about this chain. Mainly, this chain has a lock. It can be fixed without removing the bike swing arm. Let's measure the chain and sprocket thickness. The gearbox sprocket thickness is 6.97 millimeters. The rear wheel sprocket thickness is 7.27 millimeters. The chain plate thickness was measured. The plate thickness is 1.80 millimeters on both sides. In our website, twowheelerspairs.com, we have listed this chain kit. You can purchase there, and for some products we are planning to provide free delivery. For you bike, will you prefer this type of chain kit or any other else? In this chain, it was already lubricated with white grease. For better lifespan of chain, use chain lube and maintain the chain properly. If you need to see these types of videos, subscribe us.